my dear friends, today we are going to make Samba wheat fried rice. To a bowl add some salt, half teaspoon chili powder and pepper powder each. To that add some paneer cubes. I have taken 10 paneer cubes and mix them well. After coating them well, marinate it for 20 minutes. To a pan add some oil. Fry our marinated paneer. I had taken a cooked green peas, coat them with the rest of the masala. Saute them in the same pan. To that add 1 tablespoon ginger and garlic chopped each. Add some chopped onion and some salt. Saute them well. After sauteing them well, add 1 teaspoon Kashmiri chili powder and garam masala each. To that add 1 cup grated carrot. I have taken 1 cup of cooked samba wheat. Cook them using 1½ cup of water, some salt and 1 tablespoon oil. Add it to our veggies and mix them well. Our final step is to add some chopped coriander leaves. It's ready to serve. If you like the video, please give thumbs up.